Hi guys, it is Tanish and I am back with another hair video. Should be a really quick video. I just wanted to basically show you guys my hair, so that's really the purpose of this video. I'm approaching 20 months locked and I just kind of want you guys to see how my hair is looking at 20 months locked. I'm going to dye the front. I have not dyed the front in about well over 2 months, so I have a lot of gray hairs in the front. I actually have not washed my hair since my last retie, so this time I went 6 whole weeks without washing my hair, and I'm getting my hair retied tomorrow. So it's really sad. It's actually kind of shameful that I have not washed my hair for 6 weeks. Because it's been so long, I have a lot of buildup and a lot of lint in my hair, so I'm gonna do a apple cider vinegar treatment. So first I'm gonna dye it, wash the dye out, and then I'm gonna spray some apple cider vinegar on my hair and my scalp, and then I'm gonna try to soak it in the sink. I don't know how long I can do that for because my neck is hurting really bad. I was in a car accident some years back and I have like recurring neck pain, so I don't even know if I'll be able to lay back or even lay forward in the sink to really soak it. So that's why I'm going to spray my hair first. Hey guys, it is about a week later since that retie. It was a whole problem with my appointment. She didn't have me in the books, so I ended up going to her house the next day and she just did my retie from her house. I really wanted to show you guys my hair right after the retie, but it's fine or whatever. I really don't like my locks right. I like them right after the retie, but the braid out, if my hair is completely dry, in which it was, my hair is really stiff, so it actually has loosened up a lot. So like I said, the purpose of this video was just to show you guys my hair. There is nothing new that's going on with my locks. Everything is progressing nicely. My babies are locking up. I couldn't be more happier. with this process. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys my hair inside, and then we'll conclude this video. By the way, in case you guys haven't noticed, I'm outside because my kids are napping, and that baby of mine, that 18-month-old, she's going through some kind of change or growth spurt or something. She's cranky. She just keeps waking up, so it's just better for me to record outside. I still don't feel like my hair is growing super fast. I feel like if you look at my 8 months locked video, my hair is sitting in the same place. And I'm coming up on 20 months in about a week or two. Disclaimer, that lint, or what looks like lint, I promise you guys the ACV rinse did knock out a lot of lint, but what I think you guys are seeing is some of my gray hairs that look like lint. I do not, I repeat, I do not have that much lint in my hair. It's just some of my gray hairs that are starting to come in other spots of my hair other than the front. And like I said, I do feel like a lot of my nice crispy parting has been lost. So I feel like my loctician focuses more on her speed, which she gets my hair done in 2.5 hours, and I'm really appreciative. But I feel like that comes at a cost, which is, you know, my little self-made grid. So I'm thinking for my 2-year that I'm going to do my own retie, and I would love to take over my own reties. I just don't have the time with these 2 kids of mine. So I don't know, but I think for 2 years I might try to clean up my parts, let it grow. Let me see. Let it grow a little bit, go to 8 to 9 weeks, and do my own self retie. But also before that self retie, I'm gonna do another video because I'm gonna combine some locks, and I want to show you guys how I'm gonna combine my locks. I feel like it's not the best lighting out here. I can't really tell because it's so bright. The ACV rinse really did help knock off a lot of the surface lint that was kind of prowling around in a lot of my locks. So at this point, I really don't see any lint. The apple cider vinegar rinse did serve its purpose. Also, my scalp is looking pretty good. I'm probably gonna do one of those rinses about every 6 months or so. We'll see you guys in my next hair video, which will be me combining some of my locks. The reason why I'm combining some of my locks is because some of them are just too small. So I just want the base a little bit stronger. I can't find any. Oh, this is a super duper small one. Look how little that is. So this will be an example of some of the ones that I'm going to combine. But yeah, you guys, so all right, my eyes are starting to water. I will see you in my next video. Bye.